Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to discuss about replace function. Here I have some text in column A, so I am going to apply replace function on this text which exists in column A. Replace is a text function under the formulas tab. Under the text functions library, here we can find the function replace. It allows the user to replace the existing content with new text. Let us start with one example equivalent to replace This function consists of 4 functional arguments. First one is old text, start number, number of characters, new text. So old text denotes on which content we are going to apply replace function. So here I am applying on data exists in A2 cell. Start number denotes starting position of the text. In old text I am going to remove first 3 characters. Hence I am mentioning start number as 1. Thereafter number of characters I am mentioning as 3. Next here I am mentioning the new text. Here I am mentioning as new. Click on OK. Here we can find the output in B2 cell. By using replace function, I converted old text into new text. Here I am copying the formula. Next I am going to convert apple into app by using replace function. So apple exists in A3 cell is equal to replace here old text is apple. So I want to remove last 2 characters L and E. So starting number is 4, number of characters is 2. Coming to new text, I am mentioning as blank, so I don't want to add any text. Here we can find the output in the function argument dialog box itself. Click on OK. So let's copy the formula. Next I am going to convert banana into banner equivalent to replace selecting the old text. So first I am going to remove from 4th character. From that I am considering number of characters as 3. Next I am providing a new text. Click on OK. Here is the output. Next I am converting orange into arrange equivalent to replace selecting the text. Start number is 1, number of characters is 1. AR is my new text. Click on OK. This is the output. Next I am converting ascending into descending. Click on OK. Next I am converting increase into decrease by using replace function. Selecting the old text. Start number is equal to 1. Number of characters is 2. Providing the new text. In this way, we can change the content as per our requirement by using this replace function. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.